everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm bringing you another look for this Birthstone series I am doing, and this time I'm doing Emerald, and this is for the month of May. May is pretty special to me just because my daughter was born in May. She is a May 1st baby actually, so she is turning 6 years old this year. She is growing up very fast. But yeah, let me know down below if you are a May baby as well. I would love to know. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe down below so you don't miss out on any more of my videos. And if you would like to know how I created this May Emerald Birthstone inspired look, just keep on watching. Did prime and set my eyelids off of camera. So the palette we're going to be taking for this look is going to be the Morphe Brushes 35B palette. It's a really colorful palette, and I still haven't glued my little shadow on this spot right here, but we're going to be working with the green shades in this palette. I'm going to be mixing both of these lime green shades in my crease just to start off this look. Next up, I'm going to be taking a smaller crease brush. This is the e.l.f. crease brush, and I'm actually going to be taking this shade right here, and I'm also going to be taking this like teal shade over here as well. So I'm going to be mixing both of those and applying it onto my crease just to make sure that when I apply my lid shade, everything blends out really smoothly from lid to brow bone. And then I'm going to go back into my fluffy brush and just blend everything out. I didn't add any excess product. I'm just blending it out with whatever I have on my brush that's left over. Before I applied the dark green shadow onto my lid, I did apply a dark green base, and this one is from Makeup Forever. It's an Aqua shadow crayon in the shade 8E. I'm not sure if this is still available, but this is what I use. You can use any like dark green base, and I usually just use this to like intensify the shadow a little more. This is kind of like drying a little bit, so I don't know how great this really is under the shadow. I feel like it still does help the shadow intensify a little bit more applying this under the shadow. And then I just blend it out a little bit with my ring finger. It's really drying. It's not as creamy as it used to be. I've had this product for a little bit. I feel like I just need to sharpen it again to kind of revive it a little bit. I don't know if that will help, but I just feel like it would probably. So I'm going to go in with this dark green shade in this palette, and I'm just taking a flat shader brush. This is the Sigma Eye Shading E55 brush, and just packing my brush, and then I'm just going to tap onto the lid with this shadow. So you just need to build it up as the intensity that you want it to be. And you do have to like blend the crease and then go back to the lid, because once you blend the crease, it does kind of get rid of some of the shade on from the lid. Can you guys tell a little bit? You do have to go back and forth from lid to crease just to kind of build up and add more pigmentation onto the lid, because you are blending it out when you're blending out your crease. I'm going to highlight my brow bone, and I'm just going to be taking the white shade in this palette. Just highlighting my brow bone, bringing down any color I went up too high with. And then I'm going to go back in with my fluffy brush, and I'm going to be taking this lime green shade right here. And I'm just going to apply it up here again, just to make sure I don't have any harsh lines, and just kind of reapplying that shade right here. So the shadow on the top is pretty much done now. Again, you just have to apply shadow to your lid and then blend it in your crease to make sure it's not like a super harsh line. And then sometimes, again, you have to add shadow to kind of make it even. Sometimes you'll take some shadow off your lid, so you just have to reapply. So you just have to do like back and forth until you're content with how the pigmentation looks on your lid. So now I'm going to be lining my lids, and I'm just going to be taking this Sephora Rio Nights Waterproof Gel Eyeliner. It's just the black gel liner. So I'm just going to take this Essence. It's an eyebrow brush, but I've been enjoying it to use it for liner. I'm just going to line my lids with this. I'm just lining my lids so my lashes can hide a little better against my lash line. For mascara, I'm going to be taking the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. For lashes, I'm going to be taking these Kiss Faux Mink Collection Lash Couture lashes in the style Midnight. I'm going to be taking the same Aqua shadow I used for my lid, and I'm just going to be using this on my waterline. Again, you can use any green shadow you have. I'm going to be taking my pencil brush, and I'm going to go in with the dark green shade that I applied in my crease, which is this one right here. Just going to put it really precisely onto the lower lash line, just to smoke out this bottom part of my eyes. I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. crease brush, and I'm going to be mixing this shade and this blue shade as well, or the aqua shade, and just kind of smoothing out any harsh edges that I may have. And that's all I did to the bottom part, so I'm just going to be applying a few coats of mascara down on my lower lashes here. I do see some fallout right here, so if you want to prevent fallout, definitely do this eye look before you do your face makeup. And then to finish off these eyes, I did apply some like holographic glitter in my inner corners. So I just took this ColourPop Supernova shadow in the shade Lucky Penny. So I'm going to go in with a precise pencil brush and just taking some of the product just so I could apply it. I just feel like this side looks a little messy. It looks really thick too. I'm just taking a fluffy brush just to kind of smooth it out a little bit. I feel like it was like too bam, like I applied way too much on this side. This side looks okay, but now I feel like I need to be a little more precise. So again, taking my little precise brush here and kind of intensifying it just in certain areas. If you're wondering what's on my lips, I took this NYX matte lipstick in the shade Spirit. And then I actually did line my lips first with this NYX Soft Brown Lip Liner. And then I did apply some lip gloss on top. It's Praline by NYX as well. I just dropped it and I can't reach it right now. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this May Emerald inspired makeup look. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Again, please subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye!